Hey guys, I wanted to talk to you about a deck of cards. And I apologize for that light shining on there. It's the dining room light. But if we take a look at a deck of cards, it has 4 suits. S-U-I-T-S, suits. And the suits are either black or red. Yes, you can buy decks of cards that there are other colors, but in a standard deck, that's what we're dealing with, is black and red. And I have spades, diamonds, hearts, and clubs. Okay? And my spades and my clubs are always black. Diamonds and hearts are always red. Okay? And each suit has the same cards. Ace, and then 2 through 10. So let's see, I have an ace, I have a 2 through a 10, and then I have these cards. A jack, sorry, these are really slippery because they're brand new. A jack, a queen, and a king. These are called the face cards because they each have a face on them. A jack, a queen, and a king. And that should be the order of progression. Jack being lower, queen, then king is the highest. And I know in certain games of cards, they have different values, but in standard deck of cards, they would be jack, queen, king. They would be numbered, so to speak, from 2 through 10, then jack, queen, king. And the ace can either go at the beginning or at the end, doesn't matter. And when they have a value, a number value, ace can be either 1 or 11. It depends on the game that you're playing. Okay, so I wanted to make you a little familiar with the deck of cards. I'm going to attach a piece of paper that shows a full deck of cards so that you can take a look at a deck if you don't have your own. Okay. Again, the only number cards are 2 through 10. Then jack, queen, and king are face cards. And ace is not a number and it's not a face. It's just an ace. Okay? And again, what were the colors? They're always black and red. And how many cards do we have in a deck? Well, if I have an ace, or 2 through ace, however you want to look at that. 2 through ace in each suit. There are 13 cards in one suit. Okay, and 13 times 4 will give me 52 cards in a normal standard deck. And I know that when you buy a deck of cards, they always have jokers in there. But for probability unit, we do not take jokers into account. They only take the standard into account. Jokers are not considered. So there are 52 cards in a standard deck. All right? And what about dice? They use dice a lot in probability. They will likely call it a number cube because they don't want to say the word die. Die is the singular of, sorry about, I've got a bandage on my thumb. A die is a singular dice, okay? And it's numbered from 1 through 6, which you're all familiar with. But did you know that opposite sides of a die always have a sum of 7? So 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. And 6 plus 1 is 7. Opposite sides of a die always have a sum of 7. Very cool.